Hi, welcome to HR Sigma Path. So, this presentation is on employee benefits and compensation tickets inside the human resource function. So, we will understand the most common type of tickets raised by the employees. So, we'll start with the compensation related tickets. And here, these are issues linked to salary payments, incentives, and reimbursement. So, common cases includes incorrect salary amount, incentive, or variable pay not received, or pending the reimbursement claims. So first is incorrect salary amount. For example, here imagine there is a employee notices her salary credited is less than the expected one. So she raises a ticket stating that her October salary hasn't been credited properly. So on investigation, the HR payroll team finds that her bank account details were updated late in the system. So the issue is quickly resolved by the reprocessing her payment. So this shows how important accurate employee records and payroll validation are for the error-free transactions. Then there is incentive variable pay not received. So this is a common type of ticket, and when incentives or variable pay are missing, so this ticket is raised. So, for instance, a salesperson is there. He might report that his Q2 incentive was not credited. Then the HR and the finance teams check performance data uploads and find the targets were submitted after payroll cutoff. Then incentive is then added in the next payroll cycle. Then this use case highlight how payroll timing and performance data coordination must align. Then reimbursement claim pending. So here it is a very frequent case in pending reimbursement claim. So for travel, mobile bills, or any other business expenses. So suppose an employee submit a claim for a client visit, but it is still pending and it has not been reimbursed yet. So upon review, HR finds missing receipts. So once the employee attaches the correct document, the claim is approved for payout. So these cases emphasize the importance of proper documentation and approval workflows. Now we'll start with the benefits related tickets. So, which typically involves the long-term employee benefits such as the PF Provident Fund, then leave management or insurances. So, some of the most common benefits tickets are Provident Fund transfer or balance issue. Then there is PF or UAN mismatch or missing contribution. And then there is a leave balance or encashment query. So we will start from Provident Fund transfer or balance issue. So consider an employee who recently changed jobs and cannot see their old BF balance in the current account. So he raises a ticket asking his PF transfer is still pending. So HR checks EPFO records and guides the employee to link their UAN with the new employer. So once it is updated, the transfer reflects successfully on his page. So this is a typical use case in the employee transitions and statutory compliance. Then there is a PF-UN mismatch or missing contribution. So this situation is very common. So in this situation, an employee might say that my PF contribution for August is not showing. So HR investigates and finds that the upload file failed for that month due to a system error. So it's an internal error. So the payroll team re-upload the contribution to EPFO, and then a record gets corrected. So here payroll system and compliance portal needs continuous reconciliation. Then comes the leave balance and encashment query. So we have leave balance and encashment queries very frequent here also. So for example, there is an employee who finds out that there is on leave count shows 5 days less than the expected one. Then HR reviews the attendance data and corrects a sync issue with the leave management system. So accurate data integration ensures the fairness and transparency in the leave accounting. So that's it for compensation and benefit ticket. So we have lots of queries which comes under this particular department. So here are few often asked queries or raised queries or tickets in this department. So that's it for now. And if you want to know more about some topics in HR, please comment down below. And thank you for watching. Please follow HR Sigma Path for such details.